Hi, I'm Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax of Connecticut. Today I'm on Boston Whaler's flagship vessel. I remember a time back in the mid to late 90s. I was living on the vineyard and I had previously had a 13 and a 15-foot Boston Whaler Super Sport. I currently had a 17 Montauk and I thought it was the greatest boat ever. I had daydreamed about my next boat being an 18 Outrage. That would just be the cat's meow. And then one Memorial Day, a gentleman that we knew quite well had one of the largest yachts in the harbor, 46 foot. That was large in those days. And he was coming in with his new tender for the season. We didn't know what it was, but we were told to look out for it. The day came. It was a 26 foot Boston Whaler, 26 Outrage with 2 engines. Wow, we thought that was just the coolest boat in the world. It was the best center console I've ever been on, the best center console I'd ever driven. How could they top themselves? Boston Whaler had really outdone themselves on this boat, and we couldn't imagine what could come next. Just a couple short years later, they actually put a head under the console. There was a toilet under the center console. Our minds were blown. There's no way they could outdo themselves. And then 15 years later, this happened. So this is the 420 Outrage. It's 42 feet 6 inches long. It's got a 13-foot beam, which is the equivalent of 9 of my 13-foot whalers of that era. It weighs 29,000 pounds, and because it's so densely filled with foam, it only draws 31 inches. There is room for 20 of your closest friends and family. 20. It's powered by quad. That's 4 350 horsepower Mercury Verado engines totaling 1,400 horsepower. Did I mention the engines are supercharged? They are the quietest, smoothest running engines on the market today, with digital throttle and shift controls and even joystick docking. This particular unit has the Seakeeper gyro stabilizer, so you don't spill your martini during a hurricane. It has an outdoor grill, 3 freshwater showers, a microwave, 3 refrigerators, a bow sunshade, an aft sunshade, a forward seating, aft seating, side seating, center seating. Did I mention it has night vision? This boat is right here in our yard in South Norwalk, Connecticut. We are right on Long Island Sound, directly across from Oyster Bay and Huntington, Long Island. My name's Mark DiMatteo. Give me a call to schedule a private viewing of this 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage.